the 100. So it's in for 5 counts, out for 5 counts. That's one breath. You do 10 of those breaths, and that's where you get the 100. So this is a great version if you don't have time to get on the floor to do the 100, especially if you're cold. It'll warm you right up. Not really going to happen in the summer when I'm filming this, but it happens in the winter. It's a great version if you can't get on the floor to do the Pilates 100. And it's a great version if you just want to clean up your 100 and make it even better, get more out of it, get more bang for your buck. So you're going to scoot to the edge of your chair and you're going to roll your pelvis forward and back, rolling on top of the sitting bones and then off the front edge and then back. And if you're not sure what that is, if you slide your hands under your butt with palms up and wiggle around a little bit, you'll feel a couple of golf ball-like things at the base of your pelvis. That's your sitting bones, your ischial tuberosities. You can keep your hands there or not. You're going to roll your pelvis forward and back, and you'll find you can roll up on top of them, roll off of the front edge. You can roll back on top, roll off of the back edge. That'll bring you into a flexed spine. We're going to roll up on top of the sitting bones and then come just off the front edge so you're sitting more towards your pelvic floor. There's a little forward curve in your back, so we're not rounded and sitting back on our tailbone. We're up on the front edge of the sitting bones. Feel the sitting bones reach into the chair, crown of the head reaches for the ceiling. Rest your hands on your low belly, right around your belly button and below. So not way up high, come down low here. You might have to sort of stuff your hands in there. Okay, so we're sitting up nice and tall. Just start to notice your breathing, breathing in and out. Just notice what you do. Ideally, breastbone not going anywhere for relaxed breath. Ideally, as we breathe in, belly comes out a little. As we breathe out, belly sinks back in just a little bit. It's not big movement. This is a relaxed breath. Remember, if you're laying at the beach in your lounge chair, your breathing is going to be different than it would be in the 50-yard dash when you were in elementary school, right? So different breathing for different situations. Right now, we're looking at relaxed breath. We're going to turn it into a working breath. Ideally, breathing in for a count of 5 and out for a count of 5. So you're going to breathe in, 2, 3, 4, 5, out, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax to breathe in, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, force the air out, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep going with that. Belly relaxes just a bit on the inhale, but you're not sticking it out. On the exhale, pull your belly button towards your spine. Away from your waistband, away from your hands. Emphasis is on the exhale, and we're forcing that air pressure up and out. Nice. Go ahead and relax. We're going to try to add the arm pump with that. So arms down by your sides. If I were on the mat, my arms would be in nice and close. My chair is a little wide, so I've got to go wider. So you can do this in any chair. If your hands can get closer, that's better. Fingertips reach towards the floor. Palms face the back of the room. We're sitting up nice and tall on the sitting bones. The hand pump is going to come about 6 to 8 inches forward and back. And it comes from the shoulder. It's not floppy wrist slaps. It's not elbowy things, right? It's not spaghetti arms. Stiff, straight, strong arms from the shoulder joint and the shoulder girdle. Okay, so we're going to breathe in and out. In and out. 2, 3, 4, 5. The hope and the dream is that your body is not flopping around. So you're trying to hold your ground. It's actually harder than it looks. And if you're looking at yourself in a mirror or on camera, you might find that it's really hard to not be bobbling all around like a bobblehead doll. So you're going to hold your body steady. Nice. Last one. Great. So there you have it. That's a way to work on your 100 in sitting up. You can work on just the breathing. You could do it in any position. You can add in the arm pumps if that works for you, and doing it in sitting will help you when you're lying down, but it's also a great little movement break at your desk. Get your heart rate up a little bit, get some oxygenation going, and if you're feeling kind of sluggish, anything you do that increases the breath and a little bit of quick rapid movement like that's going to wake you up a little bit. Okay, good luck with that.